CBS News legal analyst Jack Ford. Jack, good to have you with us for this. So you listen to the congressman's comments. He says it's a little bit of mischief. It started out though with a lot of, very different words. First he said it was a hack. Now it's a prank, maybe a hoax. I mean, is it the kind of thing, if he's hiring lawyers to look into what happened, should he have gone to authorities? Well,
there are a couple of questions here. The first one is, well, if this in fact happened? All right, and it's a big if. We don't know.
Yeah.
What sort of consequences could there be? Are you looking at some criminal charges? The short answer to that is probably not, because, there are laws against sending out pornography on your accounts. People will look at this and say, this might be really distasteful, but it's not pornographic.
Right.
The young lady, if she felt that she was being harassed in some fashion, but she hasn't expressed that, and you might say one instance of something like this wouldn't rise to that level either. So I don't think you're really talking about possible criminal activity there. But I think the important part of your question is, why not bring in authorities? And here is the answer. If I'm a lawyer and I'm representing a politician in general, it's not against the law to lie to the media, not against the law to lie to your constituents. It is against the law to lie to law enforcement authorities. Martha Stewart went to jail not for insider trading, for lying. Barry Bonds gets charged, goes to trial, not for using steroids, for lying about it. So if I'm a lawyer looking at a case such as this, I'm going to be real careful before I let my client talk to law enforcement authorities, because I don't want to find my client, jammed up here criminally, because despite what happened here, they're not telling the truth to law enforcement people.
Is this something, though, that could ultimately escalate into maybe an investigation by an ethics committee?
Well, that's where I think you might see something happen here, Eric. I don't think you're going to see law enforcement get involved in it for a whole lot of reasons. But Congress has the ability to investigate its own. And they have the capacity to censure somebody, to suspend somebody, even to remove somebody if they find there is conduct unbecoming a representative, a member of Congress. Those standards are pretty elastic.
Right.
But certainly they have the ability to take a look at it.
Okay, only a yes or no, because I got to wrap. But
right.
No laws, it appears, have been broken.
It doesn't look like any that would be prosecuted.
Okay, sounds good. Jack, thanks.
All right, Eric.